Good morning, it's Lifestyle Family. Welcome. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you just pass it through, my name, Baker Boy 305, and this is my channel. It's a lifestyle. I am an over-the-road trucker, and I drive semis. So, this morning, part of the job, that's what I'm doing. In the break room right now, getting ready to do some laundry. You know what I mean? So I don't know where you ride at, but you know, this is where showers are, break room, pretty clean. You know what I mean? So yeah. So about to load up these laundries, these machines here. Get it in, just want to tap in. How y'all doing today? Thanks for tuning in. And as soon as I finish up with this right here, I'll tap back in. Thanks. Yeah, this is the normal maintenance. Gotta get the, shoot, I did most of the laundry yesterday, but this is just some last minute things I want to get done before I get back on the road. So, yeah. As you can see, where you gonna get that down there? Well, normally if I got a lot of clothes, I'm going to the laundromat. But here at this yard here, pretty reasonable. You ain't gonna beat that. So yep, let's get it done. Just like that, we're done. But yeah, man, these digs are pretty cool. Got some little change machine right here. You want to get changed to wash. Nice clean area. Shower rooms, real nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? So, you don't make it to the truck stop, because these are way cleaner than the truck stop. But we appreciate digs like this, and you don't get this in every terminal, so, you know what I mean? So when you can, or if you need to, you got somewhere where you could do it at. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna hang out in the laundry room, in the driver's lounge here, you know, and wait on my laundry to get done. But there's some of the dirty work I be talking about, man, that I really don't be recording. But this morning I just felt like doing so. So stay tuned. It's a lifestyle. Appreciate you. Yo, lifestyle family. It's about that time. You know how we do. Yes, sir. About to get it and go. Let's get to it. Bro. About to hit you up. About to hit you up, man. Get on this road. Got everything done. Loads ready. We locked and loaded. Yes, sir.
woke up in a city where the hustle never died. PaperRouteENPIRE still blowing my eye. I gave them gave them gateway. From South Memphis blocks to the world I paid. They tried to count me out. I just flipped the scale, turned the trap into an empire, made the story sell. Every line I spit was a blueprint for kings. Now the crown on my head, live forever in dreams. Long live God, long live God. We gon' preach that truth till the pain wear off. From getting paid to the life.